The open source framework TencentDB Agent Memory distills 4 types of assets: conversation history, project knowledge, code structure, and proven ways of working, so they can be reused on the next task. So how do you set up a team where people and agents work side by side? How do you assign those 4 types of assets to different agents? And how do you launch a task that runs with those assets already attached? Next, let's open the Memory Hub control panel for a live demo and walk you through how to plug it in and put it to work. We can think of this panel as the cockpit of team memory. It is not simply showing how many memory entries the system has stored. It shows what assets a team has accumulated while collaborating with agents and how these assets can be assigned, reused, and governed. First, we need to create a team. Here, a team is not just an organizational structure, it is also the unit of information equity. A team includes both humans and agents. Within this team, project backgrounds, historical decisions, and debugging experience that used to be known only by a few people can now be organized into shared team assets. When a new teammate joins, they do not need to start completely from zero. When a new agent takes a task, it is not facing a blank page either. Then, in this panel, we can see the 4 types of assets generated by the system: chat memory, MWiki, code graph, and skills. These are the 4 layers we talked about earlier: collaborating backgrounds, project knowledge, code structure, and working methods. This way, the team no longer just scatter information. It can clearly see what was already being turned into assets. Skills and memory will be continuously generated and refined during runtime, and they are automatically routed when needed. During cold start, we can generate these assets by importing existing files, code in GitHub, or even conversation records, helping your agents get up to speed faster. Next, we can assign assets to team and agents. This is important because each person and each agent in a team has a different role. Well, for example, an agent responsible for fixing bugs, it may need a code graph, relevant skills, and historical issue background more. An agent responsible for requirement analysis may need LLM wiki, chat memory, and business constraints more. Team memory does not dump all assets to everyone. Instead, it assigns the right asset to the right agent based on the role and task. Finally, we can create tasks inside the team. A task can be a bug fix, a feature, or a PR review. Once the task is created, all the actions agents do will be focused on the same goal. In this way, what the agent receives is not just a prompt from the user, but a task starting point that already carries team context and a capability package. TencentDB Agent Memory is now open source on GitHub. If you are building agents, workflows, or developer tools, click the link below to try it now. Feel free to give us a star, open an issue, and send a PR. Let Agent Memory become more than a catch. Let it grow into real engineering assets.